All right, listen up, folks. Tesla just dropped a bombshell, and they're calling it the Cybercab. The promise? Autonomous, cheap, and everywhere. The price? Well, that's where things get dicey, isn't it? Is this the future we've been promised, or just another overpriced gimmick? We're gonna find out if this thing is a game changer or an absolute deal breaker right from the jump. They want you to believe this is the ultimate urban mobility solution. No drivers, no ownership headaches, just hop in and go. But let's get real. How much will this convenience actually cost? Are we talking ride-sharing prices, or will it be so astronomically expensive that it negates the entire point of a robotaxi? Now, let's talk brass tacks, specs. This is a robotaxi, right? It needs to be on the road, not plugged in. We're hearing whispers of a solid range, but for a constant urban grind, is solid enough? If this thing can't reliably run a full shift without needing a 2-hour charge, that's a deal breaker for any fleet operator. They can't afford downtime. You can't afford to be stranded. And charging? Oh boy, fast charging is non-negotiable. If this Cybercab takes too long to juice up, you might as well tie it to a horse and buggy. Every minute it's not earning, it's losing money. We need insane charging speeds, or this whole robotaxi revolution is just a pipe dream. Anything less than a full top-off in under 30 minutes for a meaningful range boost is frankly unacceptable. Power and performance for a robotaxi. You might think it's not a big deal, but it is. Can this thing handle quick accelerations to merge into traffic? Will it have enough grunt to climb steep city hills without crawling? If it's sluggish, it's going to be a traffic impediment, causing more problems than it solves. This isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about doing it efficiently and safely. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, competition. Waymo is out there, Cruise was out there, actually doing it. What makes the Cybercab so special? Is it just a glorified golf cart with a Tesla badge? If this thing doesn't bring something truly revolutionary to the table that Waymo isn't already doing better, then it's just playing catch-up, and that's a recipe for disaster. Is there a game changer here? Or are we just looking at another set of gimmicks? Will the no steering wheel, no pedals be a revolutionary leap or a privacy nightmare? Are they pushing technology just for the sake of it, instead of focusing on what makes a robotaxi actually functional and safe for the end user? I'm telling you, if it's just flashy tech that doesn't add real value, it's trash. All right, step inside. For a concept, the interior materials look futuristic, but how does it feel? Is it actually comfortable for an hour-long ride, or is it just a glorified plastic box? A robotaxi needs to be robust, easy to clean, and inviting. If they skimp on passenger comfort or build quality in the final product, that's an immediate deal breaker. People won't pay for an uncomfortable experience, no matter how futuristic it looks. They're crash testing these units, which is great. Safety is paramount, especially with no driver. But the real question is the reliability of that FSD software. We've seen the clips. We know the struggles. Is it finally ready for prime time, or are we just throwing passengers into a beta test? If the autonomous system isn't rock solid, this isn't a robotaxi. It's a liability. And that, my friends, is unacceptable. So, after all the hype, all the promises, all the speculation, what's the verdict on the Tesla Cybercab based on what we know? As a concept, the vision is bold, the design is polarizing, and the ambition is insane. But the execution, the pricing model, and the reliability of that core autonomous tech are still huge question marks. For now, until they can prove those autonomous miles, prove the uptime, and deliver a truly seamless, affordable service, this Cybercab is still a massive gamble. My final verdict, as a consumer product, avoid it like the plague. As a fleet investment, lease it, but only if they hit every single metric on uptime and safety. Otherwise, it's just an expensive, shiny paperweight. You've been warned.